Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about how to add element in list using append method. So we have a list of areas and we are going to add element using append method. So first we are going to use a variable name areas dot, and then we are going to use the method which is append, and here I am going to add a new value which is 24.5. I'm going to add again a new value uh, which is 15.45, and I'm going to print the variable. Okay, so let's check this out. So what's the issue? This object has no okay, so just run. As you can see, these two values 24.5 and 15.45 is added in the list. So in this way you can add element in list using append method. If you want to add element without append method, I have a video and the link of that video is in description. You can check out as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.